Hi everyone, this is Tracy from We Craft at Home, and I'm just going to do a very quick video. So do you remember the last video I'd done with the apertures, all the cards with the apertures? Well, these are all the cutouts that were left from doing the frames, the cards and the backing papers, and rather than waste them, I just thought I would show you a few cards I've done using the leftovers as well, so that we have nothing left over. So I'm not going to do them all, I'm just going to do a few ideas so that you can roughly see what you can do with it. So I'm just going to clear up, get ready, and I'll get started. Okay, I am back. I've played around a bit and I've got 3. So first of all, this is, so I bought a new die set and it was made to surprise. This is a set. Cracker Tower. I love the tower cards, so I did get the set for that. And what I've done, I've already decorated it. So I cut it out, I've cut out the mats and just already stuck it down. And I was just thinking what I would do with this one is have the cracker, because it goes perfectly. So I'm just going to stick that down, and then I've got this just to go across the middle like that. Very simple. You could add a lot more if you wanted. I was thinking maybe a bow up here or something like that. I've got a few ribbons with me in case I wanted to try any out. Look a bit weird. So many different things you can do, but there's one. Anyway, it's basic, but you've got the cracker. You could decorate the cracker, but it's that lovely black card that I told you about from before, and it folds into a 5x7 envelope. So that would be that one. And then for the Christmas tree, I got these cards, and you get them I thought I'd done it upside down then. So you get them in a pack like this. They're from Pinflair, and what you do is you've got holes already in there. Let me get another one that I haven't started with. So you get it like this, and there's holes already in there that you can leave or take out like that, and it's for putting ribbons through. So what I've done, I've put the ribbons through already. I've got my back in there, and all you need to do now is stick it down. Now it's better because I'm attaching the ribbon. I'm going to stick it down with some double-sided tape because I think it's better for things like that. I've got stuck in there somehow. So you can do it as loose or tight as you like, but it's best to just stick over the ribbon along the top of the card. Done it a bit thick there, but that's alright. I should have used a thinner tape. And you just want to make sure you get the ribbon in so it's secure. I used a thinner one for the bottom. I didn't think it was going to be that thick. So same at the bottom. And just make sure that the tape goes over the ribbon and covers it. to put your backing on, all you're going to do is make sure that it fits inside this window. You do get the piece inside that that you have to pop out as well, although a lot of them are just popped out. So, and then all you're going to do take off either side. Make sure you're sticking the right side down here, because although there's 3 parts to it, it is still just a double fold. I'm just going to, because I went a bit over, I'm just going to turn all that tape that's gone over down. Okay, and you're going to turn it this way in, like that, and I've only stuck them 2 sides down. I don't want it totally, I want this to be a little bit gappy, but you can stick them sides down if you want. Then I'm going to trim the ribbons so there's none sticking out the top. So that now you've got that. So that's what you end up with, and it's just a 2-piece card, because the third bit is hiding all the work that you've done on the ribbon, etc. And by the way, you don't have to just use ribbon. You could use strips of paper or washi tape or whatever you like to go through that. I've just chosen the ribbon this time. So now we've got just a normal 2-piece card, and the tree I have decorated in gems, and then I've got this really little cute string of lights decoration that I thought would be perfect for it. And all I'm going to do, oh, and I backed it with the white piece as well, just to give it a bit of added strength, because all I'm doing is sticking it on the bottom. Just literally the bottom, so I want to make sure it's quite secure. So I needed that added bit of strength, and I'm literally just doing that. So the rest of it is sticking up. I need to find a star as well, because I couldn't find one, but I will get to that. And then I have this peel off, which I found I've from Pinflair. They're all the peel offs, the gold peel offs, are from a Pinflair set, with just that extra added special touch to it. And I've used the inside, I stuck the peel off straight on, and then I stuck it back onto the leftovers of this card, just to give it, if you can see, just a very tiny border so that it stands out a bit more. And I'm just going to hang it there. What I'm going to do is just do the 2 little sides here and the top. And these 2 will stick to there, as you can see. Let's bring it down a bit. go. Again, a simple card, kind of aperture card. Just using leftovers, so the papers was leftovers. Alright, I used a new card. I don't think we can escape that. So for the third one, I'm going to just use a 6x6 base. This is going to be very similar to the actual card that I done. Burnish the fold. And what I done here, so I have a new embossing folder. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it very clearly. So it's holly and berries, and what I done, I just used a pin flare wand and went over the berries. I don't know if you can see. Well, anyway, I've still kept it white. I've not done anything else to it, but I've just gone over the berries, so I've got that little splash of colour. The embossing folder is again from the new Made to Surprise Cracker Tower kit. And all we're going to do is have that in the middle. I haven't really thought about that. I really need to go over that with like a gold pen, which I did mean to do beforehand. What might be nice as well, see I was looking at all my ribbons, it might be nice either to have that across like that over the top of them, so it's across like that, or a bow at the top of it. I think a bow at the top is going to look better personally. Right, so I'm just going to use a gold marker and just go around the line like this. You can see, I don't know, bring it closer to you, you can see it just makes it stand up from the white a little bit more. Not much, it's very subtle, but I wanted subtle. And I'm going to stand this one on peel-offs. Again, it's a peel off from the pin flare set. I've used the same set for all three. So that's the basic card, and then you just, yeah, I would do a bow. I don't think this would make a nice bow, otherwise I'd use that. Let's have a look and see. Just do a bunny ear bow. See how that comes out. Actually, I kind of like that. So there, it just finishes it off. I just need to tidy up the tails. And I have to stick it on with hot glue. My hot glue gun's not on, so I'll have to do that afterwards. So there's that one. So that's three that I've already just made. I'm going to do a bow on that one as well, and I'm eyeing up this one. I think that might go nice on it. So you just keep bringing the ears, I guess, in, and then I think that might go nicely there. Yeah. Okay, so that's the 3 cards I attempted, and I've still got loads of bits left over to use, but that just gives you an idea of using the leftovers from the last video I done with the aperture cards. I've used the insides of the apertures, and I've made some more cards. Now yeah, I've used I've used a fancy die card there. These are ones that I bought from one of the Pin Flare yard sales. I don't know if they've still got them, but they make excellent cards. And then this is just a 6x6, and I've used an embossing folder. So that just gives you an idea, and I hope it helps, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.